Hey, I'm at Brinko's, my bike check. If you come over here, got the Volume Zombie frame, 2009. It's pretty old, but it still works. Come over here, I got my front rim, stock. Only thing stock on my bike right now. Got some Demolition Team Pegs. Got the Demolition Concord V3 forks. And you come up here, I got the Animal headset. I mean, it kind of sucks, but it's whatever. Got the Demolition F1 stem connected up to the Colony bull bars. Got my cheetah print custom paint. Got my ODI super soft grips with the ODI bar ends. Come down here. Got my demolition cranks attached to my premium pedals. Are the best things ever. Got my Odyssey MDS with the Shadow Interlock V2 chain. You come back here. Got my Coalition Requiem back hub. It's attached to a Alienation black sheep. Pretty cheap rim, but it works. Then on it, I got the United Swerve. It's pretty good so far. Come up here, I got my Bone Death vibrator seat in mid. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. That's my edit. Thanks.